On this episode of the History of, let's look into the history of gumball machines. It's no secret that vending machines are popular, and despite our modern technology, they're still a part of everyday life. We have all enjoyed an occasional gumball from a nearby gumball machine for our entire lives. As you might guess, these novelties haven't been around forever. While vending machines or vending kiosks have been around for centuries, the traditional gumball machine as we know it got its start in the late 19th century. It might surprise you to learn that vending machines have been around before modern society. In ancient Greece, Hero of Alexandria invented a vending machine that people used for holy water. They would go to temples in Egypt, put coins into a machine, and out comes holy water, which was highly valuable in ancient times. It's incredible to think that these machines existed in 215 BC, but it wasn't until the late 1800s that the more traditional machines that we know and love were introduced. A gumball machine is a vending machine that dispenses small gumballs and sometimes small toys when a coin is inserted. Gumball machines are usually found in public places like supermarkets, laundromats, malls, and amusement parks, but they're also popular in homes. The earliest machines came with traditional flavored tutti frutti gum. Many believe William Wrigley designed the earliest gum machine, but it was the Thomas Adams Gum Company. These machines were found on subway platforms, and they had animated figures to make them more appealing. They served a purpose and would be known as the first chewing gum vending machines in the USA. In 1907, Pulver introduced their first gumball machine, but it wouldn't be until 1933 when the machines took off. Thanks to the Northwestern Corporation and their Model 33 machine, gumballs found themselves a part of Western culture. Perhaps the most significant influencer of gumball machines was the Ford Gum and Machine Company. They invented a carousel gumball machine, which featured a round shape and a twist mechanism to release the gum. While gumball machines have been modernized, many still retain the classic carousel design. Gumball machines continued to be popular through the 1980s, especially in arcades which were at their height during this time, and manufacturers began to introduce giant gumballs, which lasted longer. Today, these machines are widespread. There are still machines in use from decades ago. Some might still be around from your childhood or your parents' childhood. Regardless of your age, you are guaranteed to get a smile when you walk up to a gumball machine. Thank you for taking this sweet trip on the history of gumball machines. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing so you can continue to see more of the history of